everyone, welcome to Kids Art. Today we are going to draw this little guy. It's a koala, and I'm going to use the following markers. I've sketched it out here for you to see. This is a sketch of what we'll be doing, and I'm going to draw on this big paper, which is 12 by 18. Now you don't need to get such a big paper. You can get an 8.5 by 11 copy size paper, or any size paper you have on hand. These are the markers I picked, and there are a different number of grays, a black, and we're not going to use all the grays, but it's good to have maybe two grays and a black. If you don't have two grays, you can always use a light blue or any other color that you choose to use. And we're going to use a brown too. And we're also going to use a brown, so I have two browns here, and a pink if we might need it for the ears. So let's begin. I'm going to take my black marker from the chisel nib, and if you have a pointed nib, that's fine. And we're going to start out by drawing the head. We're going to draw a type of triangular circle like this, and we're going to connect it. And then we're going to draw some really big ears, because koalas have really big ears. But we're going to put jagged edges on the side of the ear because it shows the fur of the koala. And that's one ear. And then we're going to put the inner ear like that. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to draw the jagged type fur on the exterior. And then we're going to draw the inner ear like that. And koalas have a really big nose, and we're going to put the nose in next. So for the nose, we're going to draw a circle, but it's not really a circle. It's kind of like a elongated form. And we're going to put the nostrils in as well, like that. And we're going to put the lips in like this. And we're going to put the chin in. Now, let's not forget the eyes of the koala. So we're going to draw a black circle on either side, a little dot. And we're going to draw another circle around that one because their eyes are surrounded by white. So we're going to leave that part white. And then we're going to put the eyebrows in. I'm going to put funny little eyebrows on either side of the eyes, like that. So that's the face of the koala. Now this koala is going to be on a branch, so he's actually facing this way, but he's going to be on a branch sideways, his body. So we're going to draw the arm like that, and then we're going to draw the body like that. And this is the connecting leg. Now I overshot my drawing a little bit, so I'm gonna fix it like that. And let's not forget to subscribe to my channel. It helps me, make more videos and content like this for you. And that way you can support my channel and get new videos when they come out. And don't forget to like my channel as well. This is the branch coming down. And we're going to make it connect over here. It's a really big branch. And let's not forget the toes of the koala. They have pointy toes. And we're going to do the same thing on the top. Now you can see that it's got paws. And let's not forget the cute little tail. It's going to have a furry tail like that. Now we're going to color in our koala. We're done with the black. And I'm going to start by using the pink because I want to make the ears, the inner ears in pink, and give him a nice look. So we're going to draw in the inner ears first. Has anyone ever seen a koala at a zoo or gone to Australia and seen a koala? I mean, it's kind of hard to go to Australia unless you've visited that island, because that's what where they're natives of. There's koalas also in other countries. I'm not sure what they might be, but they also live in other countries, but I'm pretty sure that they're native to Australia. And a lot of zoos may have koalas. So if you've ever seen one, you're lucky, because they're really cute and they're furry and they're nice to hug. So that's the ears. And then we're gonna draw in the bark of the tree. We're gonna make that in brown. So we're gonna go around the arms and draw the bark of the tree and fill that in really nicely. It's okay if you go outside of the lines just a little bit, but try not to go outside of the lines too much, because that'll change your drawing. But you can try and fill in the branch as best you can and make it look good. So we have the bottom of the branch here to draw. What do koalas eat? Does anybody know? If you know what a koala eats, you can leave it in the description down below in the comments section and tell me what you think they eat. I believe that they're vegetarians. So we're doing this branch. We're almost done with it. And then we're gonna color in the koala. Now, I was gonna color in the koala in a gray color. If you don't have gray, you could always make your koala in a different color. For example, a light blue. That's always nice, or just a different color if you want. And I'm done with the brown. And then for the koala's fur, I'm gonna pick a light brown, and I'm gonna decide which one I'm gonna pick. I'm gonna go with this one. So here we go. Here comes the koala in gray. Australia is a very big country. It's kind of far away from the United States, but there's a lot of famous actors that come from Australia. Can you name a few? If you know any, let me know. This koala is very cute. We're not going to draw in this part and this part because we're going to leave it maybe white, or we could pick a different color to fill it in. Now I'm going to do the body here. It's coming in really nicely, rather quickly. And I'm going to do the neck here. And this part here, which I went over. And the tail. In gray. Why do koalas hug trees? Does anybody know? Do you think koalas have accents, like an Australian accent because they're from Australia? Just a joke. So there we have the body, and now we're going to do the ears. the outside of the ears in this light gray color. This is a cute little guy. What would you name him if you named your koala once you're done? I don't know what this guy looks like. Maybe Lucy? I'll call this koala Lucy. She looks like a Lucy. Now we're doing the other ear. Is there any other animal you'd like me to draw? If you'd like to draw me to draw some other animals that's your favorite animal, please let me know, and I'll make a note to try and draw that. Now we're going to do the face. Now there's parts of it that are going to be in white, like the eye. So we're gonna leave not the part that's black, but the second circle of the eye. We're gonna leave that in white. And maybe the chin too. It depends on what we like to draw here. I have other videos. I've drawn a turtle. I've drawn a bunny. And a number of other animals, a cat, a dog, and I have classes in markers and watercolors. So depending on what you want to learn, you can always choose from those videos. Just look under my channel, Pixie Art Studio, and you will see that I have more classes for kids art. Now we're almost done with this part of the face. And we gotta go do the exterior part here. I think I'm gonna leave the chin maybe in a different color, maybe in white. And over here. And now for the rest of the koala, I'm going to draw its toes in a darker gray. You can also draw them in black if you want. I'm going to draw the nose in this dark gray. And I think that I'm going to draw the chin in gray as well to keep for consistency. So now we see the little koala. He's rather done. Isn't he cute? There you go. There you have it. Kids art. A koala done by you and me.